Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can send emails through the Zoho CRM. So let's get right into it. Now, it is very simple to send emails if you have somebody's contact, which usually does include their email address. If you have all that information, you'll be able to send emails through Zoho CRM, no problem. Now, the way that you do this is you go into your contacts. You can also go into leads or into accounts, depending on where you want to find the person. Pretty much wherever you can find people such as this, you can find their email and you can send the email from there. Now I'll just go into contacts, select whichever of these sample people that I want, for example this guy, and then once you're here you'll see the email right over here, which you can then copy and send through whichever service you would like. But if you want to send it through Zoho CRM, you can just click the send email button in the top right. And now you need to compose your email. It's automatically just going to enter the person you want to send the email to over here in the, destination box. You can delete them and select whichever other person you would like, enter their email address, and that should be it. And then you can just add the subject. In this case, I'm going to add test, then compose your email in whichever way you would like. Add attachments, do whatever you want, pretty much. It really doesn't matter. And then once you have your email, you can schedule it to be sent at a later date, or you can just send it immediately. Now, this is an invalid email, so if I try to send, it's going to send successfully, but it's not going to send since it is an invalid email. But pretty much that is exactly how you can send emails. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.